The question says the electronic structure of four elements A, B, C and D are. Electronic configuration of these four elements given here. It says the tendency to form electrovalent bond means ionic bond is largest is, okay, in which element there is a maximum tendency to form electrovalent bond, ionic bond. And always keep in mind the element which has greater tendency to lose or gain electron will have higher tendency to form ionic bond. For example, let's say if I mention lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, and this is what cesium is there. Which element has greater tendency to form ionic bond? We can say cesium is there because it is having larger size. So it can easily lose electron. That's why we say metallic character from top to bottom increases because tendency to lose the electron increases due to increase in size. In this case, this is the nucleus. These are the orbits and electron is present here quite far away. So this electron is not under the influence of nucleus. So this electron can be easily removed. So it has greater tendency to convert into ion. Okay, making sense? So it will form easily ionic bond. Look at the electronic configuration. 1s2. Helium is there. Already noble gas is there. Helium. Already in the stable state. So it does not have tendency to lose again electrons. B option in this case outermost 4 electrons are there. If you calculate total number of electrons 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. This is carbon exactly. Carbon. Okay. So to complete its octet, it needs to gain how many electrons? 4 electrons. By gaining 4 electrons, then it will be in the stable state. By gaining 4 electrons. Okay. But if we talk about the C option, in this case 1s2, 2s2, 2p5 is there. Outermost how many electrons are there? 7 valence electrons are there. To complete its octet, it needs only 1 electron. So you can see, by gaining 1 electron, it will be in the stable state. By gaining 4 electron, then it will be in the stable state. It gains 1 electron stable state. It gains 1 electron, still it is in unstable state. Gains 2 electron, still it is in unstable state. Gains 3 electron, but still it is in unstable state. Okay. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, all the orbitals are filled. This is what neon stable state. 2 normal gases are given here. This is and this is. Okay, so then we have to focus on only B and C. And B and C we see it needs only 1 electron. By gaining 1 electron, immediately it will convert into ion and will have greater tendency to form ionic bond or electrovalent bond. We can see option C is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.